This is me after 6 hours of sleep from the past few weeks, and this is my bro after 8 hours of sleep every day. As you can see, I'm more energized, bright, and happy. But how did I do that? And most importantly, how can you do it too? From busting one of the biggest myths about sleep, to the things I did to make my short sleep feel longer. And it all starts with 8 hours, or you are dead myth. Yes, research shows most people perform best on 7 to 9 hours of sleep, but there are exceptions. There's this thing called short sleeper syndrome. These people have a rare gene mutation, DEC2, that lets them function properly on 4 to 6 hours of sleep a night. Most CEOs, inventors, and even that one friend who somehow studies or does CrossFit at 5 AM and still has the energy to send you memes at night. But most of us aren't genetically built with that, so if you just cut your sleep from 8 hours to 5 hours, your body will be rushing with adrenaline and cortisol. Now we know that not everyone needs 8 hours of sleep, and even if you don't have SSD, you can benefit from it because the goal isn't sleeping less, it's maximizing the sleep you do get. But how do you maximize your sleep? And that's where deep and REM sleep comes in. Deep and REM sleep. Your sleep isn't one long marathon, it is a series of cycles, each around 90 minutes. To maximize the quality of your sleep, these two stages matter the most. Stage 1, deep sleep, slow wave sleep. This is when your body repairs tissues, boosts the immune system, and clears out brain waste. Number 2 is REM sleep. This is dreamland. It cements your memories, processes emotions, and fine-tunes your brain for creativity. So when you cut your sleep, you cut into these critical stages. The trick here is to make them more efficient. But how? 1. Reduce sleep disturbances. Avoid having caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine. They disrupt sleep patterns. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Don't drink water at least 30 minutes before bed. Avoid screen time before bed as well. Number 2, keep your circadian rhythm in check. This makes sure those 2 cycles perform at their best. But what about making your 6-hour sleep feel like a long one? This is where pre-sleep and sleep amplifiers come to the rescue. Pre-sleep and sleep amplifiers. What you do before bed can make or break your sleep. So to increase your sleep quality and make your short sleep feel long, do this. Take a warm shower 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. The drop in body temperature relaxes you. Number 2, bee breathing. Close your eyes, put your tongue on your palate, inhale deep and hum like a bee as you exhale slowly. Keep your eyes, mouth and ears closed with your fingers. Do this for 3 to 5 minutes. For detailed steps, you can pause the video and read it. Number 3, reading for just 6 minutes before bed can reduce stress by up to 68%, which is more effective than music, tea, or walking. Number 4, gentle stretching, or yoga for example. Child's pose and forward fold relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Number 5, NSDR, non-sleep deep rest. This is like guided meditation by Andrew Huberman that lulls your brain into a near-sleep state. Athletes use it for recovery. You can use it to prime your body for deeper sleep. I will put the link to this video in the description. You should try it. Do 3 to 4 of these consistently, and you will see the quality of your sleep has increased a lot. But there's an even more important factor, keeping you tired. You wake up feeling refreshed, but that will be of no use if what you do next is not proper. So to fix that, we use this morning routine. Now, I have a fully dedicated video about a daily routine. Do watch that, as it will help you a lot. But yeah, if sleep is the strategy, then mornings are your battlefield. So we start it by hydration. Overnight you lose water, so slam 2 glasses of water first thing. If possible, squeeze half a lemon in it. Then step outside or open a window even if it's cloudy. Take the natural light. When natural light hits receptors in your eyes, it signals your brain to stop melatonin. Now we wake the body up with 20 push-ups, dancing, jumping, etc. Doing this wakes up your nervous system faster than coffee, and then having breakfast with any protein and slow carbs, and we are ready to beat the day. Now wait, before you leave, let me be clear. This isn't a hall pass to live on 4 hours a night forever. Chronic sleep debt will mess with your hormones, mood and memory. But for some nights or some stretches, these strategies can keep you functioning at 90%. Instead of collapsing at your desk. So use them wisely. Think of them as your emergency toolkit. Don't make short sleep your lifestyle. So yeah, follow this and you can wake up at 6 AM and feel great without 8 hours of sleep. But be mindful. Let me know, what's the shortest you've ever slept? And I might try the craziest one. Hit subscribe, smash the like, see you in the next one.